In this video, we'll show you how to hang your acrylic sign. We recommend you watch the entire video before proceeding. You'll need a level, masking tape, drill bits, and a screwdriver. There are many different types of materials for exterior walls. Check with your local hardware store for the best way to mount the screws into your exterior wall. Hold the mounting paper against the wall surface. Use a level to make sure the template is mounted straight. Using blue painter's tape, tape the template to the wall. If you're using anchors for your wall, use a 3/16 drill bit. If you're using just screws for your wall, use a 5/64 drill bit. Drill a hole at the center point of each mark on the template. Then remove the template from the wall. Unscrew standoff cap from its base. Insert the screw through the large hole in the standoff base. Place the standoff base on the wall and drive the screw into the wall. Next, match the holes in your sign to the standoff bases mounted on the wall. Insert standoff caps through the holes and turn to tighten into the standoff base. But do not tighten the caps all the way, leave them slightly loose. After all caps are on, tighten each of the caps all the way. Finger tight is sufficient. You're now ready to enjoy your acrylic sign. We have many other products to help you stay organized. We have clear acrylic calendars that we can personalize with your family name. We have fabulous clear acrylic fridge calendars and chore charts that stick to any metal surface. We also have white acrylic fridge calendars. We have white magnetic acrylic calendars and number magnets that really add a pop to your board. We have colorful chalk ink marker sets. To see all of these products and more, visit our website at girlfridayhome.com. In addition, we make business boards that are perfect for real estate agents, mortgage companies, roofing companies, daycare, property management, any company that needs to track information, we can make it. Visit girlfridayoffice.com.